Hi all, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to discuss cloud computing frequently asked interview question and answer for freshers candidate. Okay, now let's begin the session. In this, your first question is, what is cloud computing? Answer of this question is, this is very basic and important question from cloud computing. Cloud computing is an internet-based new age computer technology. It's the next stage technology that uses the cloud to provide the services whenever the users need it. It provides a method to access several servers worldwide. Okay, so cloud computing is an internet-based new age computer technology. It's the next stage technology that uses the clouds to provide the service whenever the user need it. Okay. Next question. What are the benefits of cloud computing? Answer is, the main benefits of cloud computing are, first one, data backup and storage of data. Next one, powerful server capabilities. Next, incremented productivity. Next, very cost effective and time saving, and software as service known as SaaS. Okay, so in this way we are using cloud computing and they all are the benefits of cloud computing technique. Next question, what is a cloud? Answer is, a cloud is a combination of networks, hardware, services, storage and interfaces that helps in delivering computing as a service. It has three users. First one, end users. Second one, business management users. And third one, cloud service provider. Okay. Next question. What are the different data types used in cloud computing? Answer is, there are different data types in cloud computing like emails, contracts, images, blogs, etc. As we know that data is increasing day by day, so it's needed to new data types to store these new data. For an example, if you want to store video, then you need a new data type. Okay. Next question. Which are the different layers that define cloud architecture? Following are the different layers that are used by cloud architecture. First one, CLC or cloud controller. Next one, Walrus. Next, cluster controller. Next, SC or storage controller. And next one is NC, means node controller. Okay. Next question. Which platforms are used for large-scale cloud computing? Answer is, the following platforms are used for large-scale cloud computing. First one, Apache Hadoop. And next one, MapReduce. Okay. Next question. What are the different layers in cloud computing? Explain working of them. This is very important question from cloud computing. Answer is, there are three layers in the hierarchy of cloud computing. First one, IaaS, means infrastructure as a service. IaaS. Okay. IaaS stands for infrastructures as a service. It provides cloud infrastructures in terms of hardware as like memory, processor, speed, etc. Okay. Next, platform as a service means PaaS. Okay. It provides cloud application platform for the developer. Next, software as a service, SaaS. It provides the cloud applications to user directly without installing anything on the system. These applications remains on cloud. Okay. Next question. What do you mean by software as a service? Answer is, software as a service is an important layer of cloud computing. It provides cloud applications like Google is doing. It facilitates user to save their document on the cloud and create as well. Okay. Next, what is the platform as a service? Answer is, it's also a layer in cloud architecture. This model is built on the infrastructure model and provide resources like computers, storage and networks. It's responsible to provide complete virtualization of the Infrastructure layers make it look like a single server and invisible for outside world. Okay, so this is all about PaaS. Next, what is on-demand functionality? How is it provided in cloud computing? Answer is cloud computing provides a on-demand access to the virtualized IT resources. It can be used by the subscriber. It uses shared pool to provide configurable resources. Shared pool contains networks, servers, storage, applications, and services. Okay. Next, what are the platforms used for large-scale cloud computing? Answer is Apache Hadoop and MapReduce are the platforms used for large-scale cloud computing. Next question. What are the different models for deployment in cloud computing? Answer is these are the different deployment model in cloud computing. First one, private cloud. Next, public cloud. Next, hybrid cloud. Next, community cloud. Okay, so they all are the different deployment model in cloud computing. Next question. What is private cloud? Answer is private clouds are used to keep the strategic operations and other reasons secure. It's a complete platform which is fully functional and can be owned, operated, and restricted to only an organization or an industry. Nowadays, most of the organizations have moved to private clouds due to security concerns. Virtual private cloud is being used that operates by a hosting company. Okay. Next question. What is public cloud? Answer is the public cloud are open to the people for use and deployment. For example, Google and Amazon, etc. The public clouds focus on a few layers like cloud application, infrastructure providing, and providing platform markets. Next question. What are hybrid clouds? This is a very important question and answer is hybrid clouds are the combination of public clouds and private clouds. It's preferred over both the clouds because it applies most robust approach to implement cloud architecture. It includes the functionalities and features of both the worlds. It allows organizations to create their own cloud and allow them to give the control over the someone else as well. Okay. Next. What is the difference between cloud computing and mobile computing? Again, this is very important question. Answer is mobile computing and cloud computing are slightly same in concept. Mobile computing uses the concept of cloud computing. Okay. Cloud computing provides users the data which they required, while in mobile computing, applications run on the remote server and gives user the access for storage and manage. Next question. What is the difference between scalability and elasticity? Answer is scalability. Scalability is a characteristic of cloud computing which is used to handle the increasing workload by increasing in proportion amount of resource capacity. By the use of scalability, the architecture provides on-demand resources if the requirement is being raised by the traffic, whereas elasticity is a characteristic which provides the concept of commissioning and decommissioning of large amount of resource capacity dynamically. It's measured by the speed by which the resources are coming on demand and the uses of the resources. Okay. So this is the difference between scalability and elasticity. Okay. Next, what are the security benefits of cloud computing? Answer is cloud computing authorizes the application service, so it is used in identity management. It provides permissions to the user so that they can control the access of another user who is entering into the cloud environment. Okay. Next question. What is the uses of utility computing? Answer is utility computing is a plugin managed by an organization which decides what type of services has to be deployed from the cloud. It facilitates users to pay only for what they use. Okay, so this is the uses of utility computing. Next question. What is eucalyptus in cloud computing? Why it's used? This is very important question. Answer is acronym stands for Elasticity Utility Computing Architecture for linking your program to useful systems. It's an open source software infrastructure in cloud computing and used to implement clusters in cloud computing platforms. It creates public, private, and hybrid cloud. It facilitates a user to create his own data center into a private cloud and use its functionalities to many other organizations. Okay. Next question. Explain system integrators in cloud computing. Answer is system integrators provide a strategy of a complicated process used to design a cloud platform. It creates more accurate hybrid and private cloud networks because integrators have all the knowledge about the data center creation. Next question. What are the open source cloud computing platform database? Answer is MongoDB. DB stands for database. Okay. LucidDB are the example of open source cloud computing platform databases. Okay. Next question. Give some example of large cloud provider and databases. Answer is Google Bigtable, Amazon Simple Database, Cloud-based SQL. Okay. They all are example of large cloud provider and databases. Okay. गूगल अमेजॉन का नाम आपने सुना होगा एंड इसमें आप एक ऐड कर लीजिए क्लाउड बेस्ड एसक्यूएल. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्लाउड एंड ट्रेडिशनल डेटा सेंटर्स? आंसर इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल डेटा सेंटर इज हायर देन क्लाउड बिकॉज in traditional databases there is overheating problems and some software and hardware issues. Okay, so the cost of traditional data center is higher than cloud. Next question. First one is simple multi-tenancy. In this mode, every user has independent resources and are uniquely different from other users. This is an efficient mode. Next mode is fine-grained multi-tenancy. In this mode, the resources can be shared by many users but the functionality remains the same. Next question. Why APIs is used in cloud services? Answer is APIs means application programming interfaces, as you know, is used in cloud platform because it provides an alternative way that you don't need to write a fully fledged program. It makes communication between one or more application and it creates application and link the cloud services with other systems. Next question. What are the advantages of cloud services? Answer is following are the main advantages of cloud services. First one, cost saving. It helps in the utilization of investment in the corporate sector, so it's cost saving. Next one, scalable and robust. In this, it helps in the developing a scalable and robust application. Previously, the scaling took months, but now scaling takes less time. Next, services, time saving. It helps in saving time in terms of deployment and maintenance of the software. Next question, what are the different data centers in cloud computing? This is a very important question and answer is first one, containerized data center and second one, low density data center. Okay. Next question, what do you mean by CAAS? Okay. Answer is CAAS is a terminology used in telecom industry as communication as a service. Okay. So CAAS stands for communication as a service. CAAS says offers the enterprise user features such as desktop call control, unified messaging and desktop faxing. Okay. Next question. What do you mean by VPN? What does it contain? Answer is VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. VPN is a private cloud that manages the security of the data during the communication in the cloud environment. With VPN, you can make a public network as private network. Next question. What are the basic clouds in cloud computing? Answer is there are three basic clouds in cloud computing. First one, professional cloud. Next one, personal cloud. Next one, performance cloud. Okay, so they all are the basic clouds in cloud computing. Next question. What are the most essential things that must be followed before going for cloud computing platform? First most essential thing is compliance. Okay. Next one, loss of data. Next, data storage. Next, business continuity. Next, uptime. Next, data integrity in cloud computing. Next question. Which services are provided by Windows Azure operating system? Answer is there are three core services provided by Windows Azure operating system. First one, compute. Second one, storage. And third one is management. Okay. Next question. What is the uses of virtualization platform in implementing cloud? Answer is the main uses of virtualization platform in implementing cloud is first one. It's used to manage the service level policies. Next, cloud operating system. Next, virtualization platforms help to keep the backend level and user level concepts different from each other. Okay. Next question. We source cloud computing platforms databases. So answer is following are the open source cloud computing platform databases. First one, Mongo databases. Second one, Koch databases. Third one, Lucid databases. Okay, so they all are the open source cloud computing platform databases. Next question. What are some large cloud providers and databases? Answer is following are the mostly used large cloud providers and databases. First one, Google Bigtable. Second, Amazon Simple Databases. And next one is cloud-based SQL. Next question. How would you secure data for transport in cloud? Answer is this is the most obvious question occurred in mind that if the cloud data is secure. To ensure that, check that there is no data leak with the encryption key implemented with the data you sending while the data moves from point A to point B in cloud. Okay. So guys, they all are cloud computing frequently asked question and answer. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more technical updates. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends. Thank you.